Shocking moves are sweeping the financial and tax policy landscape, and they're bound to ignite debate. Let's break down the headlines that everyone's buzzing about this week and reveal what most people aren't noticing behind the scenes. Congress is currently pushing a major proposal to abolish the taxation of Social Security benefits, which could redefine retirement income for millions. Alongside this, lawmakers want to prolong the Affordable Care Act's tax credits, suggesting potentially lighter health insurance expenses for many Americans. But here's the part nobody's talking about. Will these adjustments really achieve the intended fairness, or will they trigger new controversies around fiscal responsibility and generational equity? On the corporate front, the prominent accounting firm Smith & Howard made headlines by acquiring Horton Lee Burnett, marking their debut in Alabama and further strengthening their foothold across the Southeast. This expansion hints at major regional changes for accounting professionals and clients alike. Meanwhile, the American Institute of CPAs, AICPA, is stepping up to address the rapidly evolving digital asset landscape. Their newly updated guide now includes comprehensive instructions specifically focused on auditing crypto lending transactions. This is crucial, not only for auditors, but also for crypto investors who may be surprised to learn how regulatory scrutiny in digital finance keeps evolving. And this is the part most experts disagree on. Should crypto assets be treated like traditional investments during audits, or do they require unique standards? Then, a troubling issue has emerged regarding pandemic-era tax deferrals. Around 10,000 employers have yet to pay back nearly $2 billion in payroll taxes originally postponed in 2020. This raises a provocative question. Should more aggressive collection strategies be considered, or does risk of business closing justify a softer touch? Share your take below. This topic is sparking heated arguments among experts. Cybersecurity threats remain at the top of every executive's mind. Cohn Resnick's Digital Forensics Lab is empowering clients to face cyber attacks head-on, both before and after incidents occur. Their hands-on approach is a game changer, especially for companies handling sensitive data. But here's where opinions divide. Is prevention always worth the investment if recovery solutions are advancing just as quickly? Regarding legal changes, the big tax package advanced under the Trump administration, the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, OBBBA, delivers substantial incentives for real estate. Industry insiders are raving about expanded deductions, but skeptics question if these perks primarily benefit high-value investors over ordinary homeowners. Are tax policies widening the wealth gap? Tell us what you think. For those aspiring to become CPAs, expect a challenging road ahead. The profession is openly acknowledging that failing the CPA exam is a normal step on the path to licensure. The key is to be persistent. Not everyone succeeds on the first try, and that's okay. What most beginners miss, each attempt teaches valuable lessons that prepare you for future success. Have you faced setbacks in professional exams? How did you push through? Changing hiring trends are also underway. Finance chiefs and corporate controllers are scaling back their urgency to recruit accountants, as previous concerns about widespread talent shortages appear to be diminishing. But could this confidence be misplaced if market dynamics shift again? Perhaps the most controversial revelation: America's wealthiest 400 individuals paid a lower overall tax rate than most citizens. This fact alone stirs up fierce debate surrounding fairness in the tax system. Is it time to rethink how taxes are calculated for billionaires? Over at the IRS, officials have reconsidered some planned staff reductions. After reevaluating, the agency is pausing certain job cuts. Why the change of heart? Some speculate that personnel are needed to manage mounting workloads and evolving tax codes. Tip earners, listen up. The new OABBA legislation now clearly defines which cash tips are eligible for deductions, impacting many workers whose livelihoods depend on gratuities. Will this offer meaningful relief or just add complexity? Which of these developments do you agree or disagree with, and why? Is today's tax landscape truly getting fairer, or are we just trading one set of problems for another? Add your voice to the discussion below.